You don't need a second SIM card. You don't need a second phone. A virtual number takes 60 seconds to get and costs less than a coffee. Here's exactly how. Go to smsman.com, pick the country you need, US, UK, Japan, whatever the platform requires. Pick the service, Telegram, WhatsApp, Google, Instagram, over 1,000 options. Copy the number. Paste it into the sign-up form. Come back to SMS-MAN. The code lands in your dashboard in under a minute. Enter it. Done. That's the entire process. No app to install, no ID required. Works on any device, any browser. Why would you need this? Second account on any platform. Testing an app without burning your real number. Privacy. Your real number stays out of every database you sign up for. Business. Separate number for every project. Travel. Local number without buying a local SIM. SMS-MAN. 190 countries, 1,000 plus platforms from 1 cent. Link in the description.